Okay, today we're going to do some reading and some vocabulary. Let's carry on with our reading. Can you see the paper?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay. Have you done this before or you haven't seen it before? About fossils? Have you seen it before?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you finish it?
Yes.
About okay. I also
Yes.
remember doing fossils. Okay, let's carry on. And then did you look here about an engine? Different types of engines. Okay, I
I don't
don't.
remember.
Okay, I also don't remember. So maybe we start over here. Let me just write it quickly. 27. Okay. Okay, let's do some reading. Let's use purple today. Okay, Ni, you can start reading for me. And then Icy, Ni, Icy.
An engine is a machine that creates uh,
Mechanical motion.
mechanical motion from energy. In order to do this, an engine frequently requires some type of fuel to burn. Nowadays, many engines are used to power cars and other forms of transportation. These vehicles most commonly have an internal
Is it
combustion
vehicles? Vehicles is a car.
vehicles. Most commonly have an internal combustion engine and rely
Rely
uh, upon the
gasoline. Gasoline. It's like gas or petrol. Gas is short for gasoline.
gasoline for power. However, there are several types of engines that can use um, alternative energy sources. Many people are trying to switch to them because gasoline, which is a fossil fuel, creates, creates pollution and is also a non-renewable resource. Alternative energy sources, meanwhile, create less pollution and are often renewable sources of energy.
Okay, I see.
These days, engines that are able to burn biofuels are somewhat common.
Common.
Bio, common. Biofuels are fuels that are made from um, biological materials,
Biological.
biological uh, materials such as corn, soybeans, and sugarcane. These biofuels burn cleanly, some so they produce much at less pollution than fossil fuels. In some countries, such as Brazil, cars with biofuels and engines are standard. In fact, most of the cars in Brazil have engines that can operate on either gasoline or biofuel.
Okay, there's lots of big words over here. Okay, but they're big words in English. Let's look at the first two paragraphs. Are there any words that you don't understand? Any words you want to ask me about? Excuse me. Okay, so they're talking about different types of engines and different types of fuels or gas that burn in the engines. Okay, biological material is stuff that's from nature. Corn, soybeans, and sugarcane. Okay, so those are the fuels that you want to burn because it doesn't pollute the environment. Okay, fossil fuels is not a good, it creates pollution. Okay, and you can't recycle it. Let's go on. Okay, Ni?
A second type of alternative engine is the electric engine. Cars with electric engines have been common for decades. Most are being used in hybrid cars at the moment. These are vehicles that have both a gasoline-powered engine and an electric one. In many cases, the gasoline-powered engine is used to operate the car at high speed on expressway. The electric engine is uh, utilized for city driving. One benefit of hybrid cars is that as the gasoline power engine runs, it sim, uh, simultaneously recharges the electric engine.
Okay. Last one, I see.
A third type of alternative engines is the hydrogen engine. It's only
Hydrogen.
hydrogen engine is how to say this word?
It utilizes hydrogen fuel cells.
Is utilizes hydrogen fuel cells which converts hydrogen into electricity. What can power the car? This day, there are many cars and buses that
Rely.
rely upon hydrogen
Hydrogen.
hydrogen engines. However, there are some problems associated
Associated.
associated with this type of engines. The hydrogen used in the engines must be processed from other material and is also difficult to store. As a result, uh, vehicles that runs on hydrogen are expensive.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's see. What words that you don't understand or anything you want to ask me?
Alternative engine.
Which line is it on? Oh, alternative engine. Okay, a second alternative means different. So another kind. A second type of alternative engine. So alternative is something that's different to what's normally used. Okay, and the engine is in the car. So we have the 3 different types of engines. Okay, that are in a car. Most cars use fuel, okay, or gasoline. Gas is for petrol or gas. Okay, then we have biofuel engines. We have electric engine, and then we have the hydrogen engine. Okay, anything else? Icy?
Gallo side.
Which line?
The 21.
Which word do you want?
Gallo side.
Gasoline.
Yeah.
Okay, gasoline is for gas. You know gas that you put in the car? Let me.
Yeah.
So gasoline is a long word for gas. Okay. Anything else? Utilize means to use. It's the same. Utilize is use something.
Also, sorted.
Which line?
20. 27.
Associated. Okay, so some problems associated. It's like if it's associated with something, it is connected. Sorry, let me just check how to spell it quickly. Associated. Okay. Okay, it's connected to something. Yes, do you know that word?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Should we go to the questions? Any more words? Okay, let's go to question number 27. Ni, can you read it for me?
What would be the best title for the passage?
They talk about new different types of engines.
Number D. What is the best title of the hydro engine?
If you look at C, new types of alternative energy engines. So because they tell us, okay, so this is what we are using in the old days. Okay, this is what they use. But it's polluting the environment. Okay, so it's not very good. So then they came up with new ones. Okay, these days, which is now, they've got new kinds of alternative engines. Okay, so this is one kind. Then we have a second type and a third type. Okay, so let's look again.
Number C.
Yes. Okay, do you understand why?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I see number 28.
In line 6, the word switch is closest in meaning to.
Tell me if I
Can
must
you
go
go
up.
up?
Okay.
Can you go down?
Many people are trying to switch to it.
C.
To make a change. Okay, so people are trying to change. They're trying to make a change. So it'd be, okay, let me show you quickly. So we have to read from the beginning over here. These vehicles most commonly have an internal combustion engine and rely upon gasoline for power. However, there are several types of engines that can use alternative energy sources. Many people are trying to switch to them because gasoline, which is a fossil fuel, creates pollution. Okay, so switch means to change to them. Okay, do you understand, Icy? Yes, okay. Number 29, Ni?
Based on paragraph 1, what is probably true about alternative energy sources?
Alternative.
Alternative. Can you go up?
Yes, okay. Did you read all of these so you know what to look for? You can just read it in your mind, but then you know what to look for.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Paragraph, sorry, let me go down quickly. Paragraph 1 only.
Can you go down?
Yeah.
I think it's C.
Rejected means people are saying no to them. People are wanting them. They're switching to it. Okay. Okay, let's read through these. They have only been discovered recently. Okay, so they're very new. They cost a great deal to produce. Okay, so they are less common than fossil fuels. Okay, so there's a lot of fossil fuels, but less common are the alternative energy. So there's less of them, but there's lots of fossil fuels. Or people don't want them. A lot of people don't like them. Okay, let's go back to paragraph 1. An engine and machine that, okay, in order to do this, the engine frequently requires some type of fuel to burn. Nowadays, many engines are used to power cars and other forms of transportation. These vehicles most commonly have an internal combustion engine and rely upon gasoline for power. Okay, however, there are several types of engines that can use alternative energy sources. Many people are trying to switch to them because gasoline, which is a fossil fuel, creates pollution and also a non-renewable resource. Alternative energy sources, meanwhile, create less pollution and are often renewable sources of energy. Okay, so the people are liking it. Okay, it says nothing about the cost. And let's see, what was the other one? Okay, so it's got nothing to, it says nothing about the cost. It says nothing about when they discovered it. Okay, and people are liking it. So we're going to have to go with C.
Teachers, my choice C.
Did you say C?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said D. I'm sorry. Sorry, Ni. I did not hear you.
Next question, I read the answer.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Icy, let's do number 30.
The authors use corn, soybeans, and sugarcane as example of. Can you go up?
Yes.
Can you go down? C.
Okay, they don't say anything about how quickly, but look up at things that can be turned into biofuels. Okay, so it's made from these things. Okay. Just be careful because you see this word, then you think it's, yes, it's that one. Okay, but it's also got biofuels over there. You must just read the whole sentence before because it doesn't say anything about quickly or slowly or anything. Okay. Okay, so because corn, soybeans, sugarcane are examples of things that can be turned into biofuels. Okay, so they say biofuels are made from things like corn, soybeans, and sugarcane. Okay, are you happy, Icy? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ni, number 31.
What does the author say about biofuel in Brazil?
Tell me if I must go up.
What approve mean?
Many approve of them means they're happy with them, they like them.
Can you go up?
Sorry, I just want to put this in here. Okay. If it's standard, it means it's most of them. That's how it comes. So in some countries, such as Brazil, cars with biofuel engines are standard. Okay, so if you go to the car shop and you want to buy a car, it's going to come with a biofuel engine. That's what it means if it's standard. That's how it comes. Okay, in fact, most of the cars in Brazil have engines that can operate on either gasoline or biofuel.
Can you go down?
Yeah.
I think it's D.
Yay, good. Okay. Well done. Okay, I see you ready. Number 32.
When do many hybrids can use a
Pause.
car? When do many hybrid cars use their electric engines? Uh,
Okay, so hybrid cars, those are the ones that use a electric car. It's electric engine.
can you go up?
Yes. Remember they ask, when does it use the electric engine? Not the gas-powered engine.
Can you go down? C.
Okay, look over here. Okay, so now they're talking about the hybrid car. In many cases, the gasoline-powered engine is used to operate the car at high speeds on expressways. The electric engine is used for city driving. Okay, so let's try again for city driving. The electric engine. Which one is it, Icy?
D.
B. Okay, city streets. Okay, Ni, let's do number 33.
In line 22, the word recharges is closest meaning to.
Okay, if you don't understand these, you can ask me, or I can translate for you.
I don't understand refuse and reviews.
Okay, repels. Let me check here quickly. Repel. Okay, do you understand repel? Like to, let me check quickly. I want to. Just want to make sure. Okay, yes. Okay, to repel, like to have a force, to move. Do you know this word?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, and reveals is to show something. To reveal, like I'm showing you. Okay.
Yes.
So do you understand? Resumes, and refreshes. Can ask me if you want to go up.
I think you refresh.
Yes, it is. Okay, to recharge something means to give it power again. Okay, like if your cell phone battery goes flat, you need to recharge it so that it can get power again or refresh. Okay, good. I see number 34.
According to the passage, all of the following statements are true about hydrogen engines except.
Okay, so now we've got an except one. Which one is not true?
Can you go up? Can you go down?
Yes.
Uh,
Must I help you?
yeah.
Okay, let's look over here. So A, we're looking for which one is false, which one is not true. Okay. So A, they cost a lot of money to operate. They're expensive. Okay. Yes, that one's true. Okay, they are expensive. There are problems with their fuel source. Okay, let's look. There are some problems associated with this type of engine. Okay, the fuel source, it's difficult to store. Okay. Difficult problems. That's true. Cars and buses can both utilize them. Many cars and buses. Okay, so that's also true. So which one is false? Renewing their batteries is difficult. Okay. I don't see anything over here about their batteries. Okay. So the one that is false is D. Okay, you understand, Icy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we've finished those ones for now. Let's go and do some vocabulary. I want to see if you can remember. Page 162. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, you're going to read the word for me. Okay, and then there is a definition over here and there's a sentence. I'm going to ask you to make another sentence for me with that word. Okay, so we'll do the words of C and D. Okay, so let's start Ni. Cheetah. Okay, so you can read there what it is, and I want you to make a different sentence for me.
Cheater, a person who cheats, such as on a test.
Okay, so can you give me a sentence with cheetah?
Peter was a cheater because he cheated in the exam.
Yes, perfect. Perfect, 100%. Okay, good. I see. Condense.
Condense mean to change from a gaseous to a liquid state.
Okay, gaseous, like a gas, which is air, to liquid, to water. It's a difficult one.
It's like
So, like rain. When it rains,